Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free tokens on the xHamster, guys. So as you can see, I got tons of tokens. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website, guys. It's called zestcoupons.com. So let me just show you guys right here. So this is the website, guys, where you can actually get xHamster tokens, like promo codes. So I'm on the website right now, and I'm going to go to the search bar and just type in xHamster. And as you can see, it says xHamster free tokens. So go ahead and press on it, press show coupon code, and wait for it to load. Now bear in mind, it's going to ask you for your email address because obviously they're sending the promo code to your email. So just go ahead and press get full code and wait for this to load up. And now you're going to enter your email address. I'm not doing that on screen, so let me just type it in. Press continue. You can see it says activating your reward, and then oh, I messed up. I forgot to put the .com part. So let's see if it loads again. All right, so I'm gonna enter my email address this time correctly, and I'll get back to you. So let me just type it in right here and press continue. And as you can see, it says activating your reward. So we're now done, basically. So you can see it says reward activated, email confirmed. And basically all it does is make you do like a survey. You got to fill some stuff out and you'll get free xHamster tokens like me. So this is super cool. It fully works. So you can see it says please register next. So you just got to fill this out. It's super easy, guys. So yeah, all you got to do, bro, is just go onto Zest coupons. Like, they are the only way to get like free xHamster tokens. So that's the website for you guys, zestcoupons.com. But be sure to try us out because it's super cool.